right, thank you everyone for joining this Moldex3D webinar series. If you've joined before, welcome back. If you're new, welcome to this webinar series where today we're going to be going over polyurethane foaming molding, or chemical foaming as we call it. And we'll go over all the different aspects that go into the simulation and also kind of what chemical foaming is all about, or what PU chemical foaming is all about. All right, so PU chemical foaming. What is PU chemical foaming? So basically we're going to be taking a polyol, an isocyanate, and water, and we're going to be mixing those together to observe the chemical reaction that's going to happen during the foaming process. So basically we're observing the chemical reaction that's happening between these three reagents, and we're observing how those are foaming, or how the gas released is affecting how the molding process is carried out. So in the injection phase, there's pretty much three stages. So first, we're going to fill the cavity with a certain volume of this mixture. We're not going to fill it completely, usually about 60 to 70%. And the remaining space is going to be filled by the foaming expansion. The release of the CO2 in the chemical reaction is going to cause the viscosity to increase due to the cross-linking of the thermoset polymers. And then the exothermic effect of the actual chemical reaction is going to increase the temperature of the mold, and it's going to cause the CO2 to be released at a relatively high temperature. You can see kind of a pretty simplistic view of what this reaction looks like and what the layout of this reaction would look like in here. All right, so as far as Moldex3D is concerned, there's really four families of this foaming process. So this PU chemical foaming is going to be located over here in the thermoset category, where we actually have a chemical foaming process. Now the other three we kind of group into what's called foam injection molding. So this is actually another module that we have. These two are separate modules as far as our simulation is concerned. So we have the chemical foaming module and the foam injection module.